Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about what are the healthiest breads that you can eat. So let's start with the worst one first. And when you go to the grocery store, almost all of the breads that you're going to find in that bread aisle are going to be the white refined flour breads, white bread, and they're going to be the worst for you. They're going to cause blood sugar spikes. They're going to be highly inflammatory. They're made with refined flour, right, which is stripped of all the fiber and nutrients. So really, the least healthy bread is the white refined flour bread. Now let's get into the healthy breads. Number 1 is sprouted grain bread. This type of bread uses sprouted grains, meaning that the grains have been allowed to germinate and grow. This process actually increases the availability of nutrients, making them more easily absorbed by your body. It also reduces the amount of starch in the bread, which helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. Sprouted grain bread is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals like iron and magnesium. So if you're looking for a healthy bread option, definitely choose a sprouted grain bread. 2. Sourdough. Sourdough is a naturally fermented bread, which means it's made with a natural starter that contains beneficial bacteria and yeast. The fermentation process also helps to break down some of the starch in the bread, making it easier to digest for those with gluten sensitivity. Sourdough has a lower glycemic index, so it won't cause as big of a blood sugar spike as other breads. It's also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, the fermentation process creates an acidic environment that can help to preserve the bread and extend its shelf life. 3. 100 whole wheat. When choosing bread, it's important to look for options that are made with 100 whole wheat flour. This ensures that the bread is made with all three parts of the wheat berry, the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. This gives you a more nutrient-dense bread that is high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 100 whole wheat bread can help you feel full and satisfied, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight or improve their overall health. 4. Flaxseed bread. Flaxseed is a type of grain that is a good source of fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Flaxseed bread is made with flaxseed meal, which is ground flaxseed that has a nutty flavor and a soft, chewy texture. It's a good option for those looking to increase their intake of fiber and healthy fats. Flaxseed is also known to be a good source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. 5. Rye bread. Now keep in mind, I'm talking about 100% whole rye bread, not the stuff that's labeled rye bread that has like 2% rye flour in it, and the rest of it is just white refined flour. But 100 whole rye bread is a good source of fiber, especially if you get the kind that is made with whole rye flour and not just the refined rye flour. Rye bread can help lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation in the body. It also has a low glycemic index, making it a good option for those with diabetes or those looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. 6. Oat bread. Oats are a type of grain that is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Oat bread is made with oat flour, which has a slightly sweet flavor and a soft, chewy texture. It's a good option for those looking to increase their intake of fiber and whole grains. Oats are also known to be a good source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels. 7. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is one of the healthiest bread options out there, especially if you're looking for nutrient density and digestibility. Made from sprouted grains, it includes sprouted wheat, barley, lentils, millet, spelt, and soybeans. Sprouting boosts nutrient availability and reduces antinutrients like phytic acid, making minerals easier to absorb. It's high in protein and fiber. One slice contains about 5 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber, which helps with satiety, digestion, and blood sugar control. It's a good source of B vitamins, especially niacin, zinc, selenium, manganese, magnesium, and iron. 8. Rye bread. Rye bread is a hearty, earthy classic, and it's got a lot more personality than your average white loaf. It's made with rye flour, which has less gluten than wheat, giving it a denser texture and a slightly sour flavor. Caraway seeds are often added for that signature aromatic kick. Its lower glycemic index is great for blood sugar control. It's rich in fiber, supports digestion and heart health. It has a bold flavor, pairs beautifully with smoked meats, cheeses, or even avocado. 9. Multigrain bread. Multigrain bread is a powerhouse loaf, hearty, wholesome, and packed with texture. It's made using a blend of grains and seeds, like oats, flax, sunflower, millet, and sometimes even quinoa or chia. The result? A bread that's not only flavorful, but also rich in fiber, protein, and nutrients. High in dietary fiber supports heart health, sustained energy release, lower glycemic index than white bread. So there you have it, the top 9 healthiest breads that you can eat. Just remember that not all breads are created equal, and the type of bread you choose can have a major impact on your health. No content on this site, regardless of date, should ever be used as a substitute for direct medical advice from your doctor or other qualified clinician. So, choose wisely and enjoy your bread in moderation as part of a healthy diet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.